it's not actually accepted. So
Yeah.
we have to zoom out and take.
Zoom out, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So I zoom out now. Is it okay now in this way here?
Yeah, that's okay. That's a standard.
That's standard.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But the first time I took, that was actually out.
Okay, so this that I'm further out like this here?
Yeah, that's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
But the headroom is too big, so you have
Headroom, what do you mean when you say headroom?
Okay, the headroom is like the space
Above the person's
yeah,
head,
above
kind
the
of?
head,
Yeah, okay, okay, okay.
And that
Good.
one,
Uh-huh.
it's bigger, so you have to.
I have to kind of put the camera slightly down,
Yeah.
so it looks maybe like this here.
That's fine.
That's better. Okay. Now, how should I do it in terms of when I want a good shot of you? Should I kind of put you like here, so you're in the side? What do you suggest?
No, actually, when you are shooting an interview,
Uh-huh.
you're not supposed to be on the side.
You're supposed to be in
the mid.
in the middle.
Yeah.
So I turn it so you're in the middle,
Yeah.
like here. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. What about the other things? Are there other things I should consider? Now I can see here there's you, and then there's also, in this particular case, there's part of a background, and then there's also a door and a telephone and other things. Should I care about that, or should I just go on?
Okay, you're supposed to care about the background.
Yeah?
Yeah, when shooting, you should have a target background. The background feels comfortable for you, but unnecessary equipment or other things, you're supposed to remove them, or
Yeah?
you change your shooting angle.
Okay, so for instance, in this particular case, when I have another background and we have our usual studio background here,
Yeah.
we could, for instance, swap seats.
Swap seats.
Yeah, should we do that? Yeah, why not? Let's try that. So we are now swapping seats such that we can do the recording of Alex in such a way so so the entire shoot or the entire shot here of Alex becomes with the right background. So now I'm again turning this here to Alex and asking him how this picture here looks.
That picture is fine.
That picture is fine, yeah?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Bedroom, side room.
Yeah?
That's the sides. Yeah, the quality, the lightings, and
Yeah?
the background, everything's right.
So that is kind of fine, yeah?
Yeah.
Excellent, good. Good, but in that case, I think we will now leave that one here. What will you give of good advice to the beginner who wants to record something and then, for instance, put it on YouTube? It can be a music orchestra or something like that, who, you know, they make rock music or jazz or like that. They maybe want to record themselves. What would you suggest them to do if they want to record themselves?
Okay, if you want to record yourself and maybe upload a picture on the YouTube, all you have to do is just make sure that the picture is of high quality, the kind of quality you need, and make sure the shooting is standard. So after you have taken care of all those, you are now free to take it there.
Yeah,
internet,
okay.
and to upload it either YouTube, MySpace, or whatever site.
Yeah, okay. If now we have done quite some sessions here where we record education, I would bet that there are many who know things out in Kenya. What will be your advice to those who would like to maybe take an area where they know something? It can be how to make kikois, it can be how to grow mango trees. If someone knows something about that and they would like to now do a recording, maybe 5 or 10 minutes short movie, and upload it to YouTube, what would be your recommendation of what should they think about first and foremost? Some educational movie, what would you say?
Okay, if you want to educate people about anything, maybe your profession or whatever business you're doing, okay, first you are supposed to maybe have a camera. If you don't have, you should maybe hire, or maybe hire people who can shoot it for you.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you want to have a good viewership, then you should have something of higher quality, you know.
Okay.
A good picture, good people, good shooting, and good content.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you upload it, you know, the viewers, they decide what to watch, and if what you have recorded, whatever you've done, is not of good quality, it's not impressive, they have a right not to click in it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I get that.
Okay.
Excellent. Thank you so much for coming into our studio and assisting with this little short clip. What we're going to do is to now upload this movie here. We have taken this shot now. I